Ayan, welcome to our vlog. Charot. CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Located po yan sa second floor, Green Hills, San Juan City. Cell number XB02. Then ang permanent natin, located po yan sa third floor, V-Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. So ito yung permanent shop natin. Maluwag po dito, spacious. Okay? Ang freebies natin, pag bibili kayo ng second hand, ito. Ayan, may gift box. Ito yung gift box set. Then may extra 2 case, total of 3 case. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong full package number 2. Original charger, AirPods, and 3 case. Yan. Ang basic package natin, 2 case temporary charger only. So, ayan. Ang warranty natin. Anong warranty natin?
Sino muna daw natin?
Papakilala ko po sa inyo ang aking bantay dito sa taas. Si Christine. Christine Toto. Ayan. Okay, ang warranty natin dito sa CMB Gadgets or Kenyal Telecom is 2 weeks replacement warranty for factory defect only. At meron din tayong 3 month service warranty only. Okay, no warranty for LCD damage, water damage, and physical damage. Ang update natin, free po yon. Kaya hindi po ako nagbabawal mag-update. Mag-update po kayo as long as you want. Make sure na full charge, malakas yung internet, and always check your capacity kung kaya pa ba mag-update ng iOS 26. iOS 26 is more than 20 gig po yung kakainin niya sa device po ninyo. So, yan.
Go.
Ayun. Price update muna tayo. Meron tayong 11. XR muna. XR, 128 gig, 10,500. May cashback na 500, 10,000 na lang. Dapat basic package, magiging 9,500. 11, 128 gig, 12,500. Full package, basic package is 12,000. Less cashback 500, 11,500. Ayan. And then 11 to 56 gig, 13,500. Full package, basic package is 13. Less cashback 500, 12,500. And then syempre, meron din tayong 11 Pro Max. 64 gig na lang available natin. 15,000 na lang. Full package, basic package is 14,500. Less cashback 500, 14,000 na lang. Ayan, meron tayong iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. 12, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po yun ng 14,500. Less cashback 500, 14. iPhone 12, then meron tayong 12 Pro, 128 gig. 12 to 56 gig. And then syempre, kung meron tayong Pro, meron tayong 12 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max, 128 gig na lang ang available natin. 22,000 full package, basic package is 21,500. Less cashback 500, 21. Yan na lang yung stock natin. Pag meron po tayong stock, mag-update po tayo. Siyempre, meron tayong iPhone 13. iPhone 13, 128 gig. Full package is 18,500. Less cashback 500, 18,000. iPhone 13, 256 gig, 20,000. Full package, basic package is 19,500, less cashback 119,000. iPhone 13, 512 gig, 22,000. Full package, basic package is 21,500, less cashback 521,000. And then, syempre, meron din tayong iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro, 128 na lang, 24,000. Full package, basic package is 23,500. Less cashback 523. 13 Pro, 256 gig, 26,000. Less cashback 500, 25,500. iPhone 13 Pro, 512 gig. iPhone 13 Pro Max, 128 na lang yung available natin. 27,500. Full package, basic package is 27,000. Less cashback 500, 26,500. Sa mga naghahanap ng 14 and 14 Pro, meron po tayo 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max and 14. 14, 128 gig, 22,000, less cashback 500, 21,500. And then, meron tayong basic package, another less 500, magiging 21 na lang. Meron din tayong iPhone 14 Pro, 128 gig, 30,000 na lang siya. Full package, basic package is 29,500. less cashback 529, 14 Pro, 256 gig, 34,000, full package, basic package is 33,500, less cashback 533,000. Meron din tayong 14 Pro Max, 128 gig na lang available natin, 35,000 na lang, full package, basic package is 34,500, less cashback 534. Ayan. Yung mga unit naman po natin dito is all original, not refurbished. And then, syempre, yung mga battery health po natin is nag-range po yan ng 80 plus. Pag meron naman po tayong 100 battery health, dinidisclose ko na po yan agad kay client or kay buyer na palit battery po yun. Para aware din po kayo sa unit po na bibilihin po ninyo. Ayan. Meron din tayong iPhone 15 Pro, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang yan ng 37,500. Meron din tayong 15 Pro Max, 256 gig, 45,000, full package, basic package is 44,500, less cashback 500, 44,000 na lang. And meron din tayong 15 and 15 plus. 15 plus natin, 128 gig, 32,000 na lang. Full package, basic package is 31,500, less cashback 500, 31. Then sa iPhone 15 natin, 128 gig, 29,000 na lang, full package, basic package is 28,500. Less cashback 500, 28 na lang. iPhone 16, 128 gig, 37,000 full package. Basic package is 36,500. Less cashback 536. Then 16 plus, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po yan ng 40,000. Full package, basic package is 39,500. Less cashback 500, 39. And then meron akong 512 na iPhone 16 plus. 50,000 yun. Full package, basic package is 49,500. Less cashback 549. 16 Pro Max, 256 gig, 55,000. Less cashback 500, 54,500. And then pag basic package, another less 500, 54,000. Meron din po tayong 16 Pro Max na 512 gig, 63,000 full package, basic package is 62,500. Less cashback 562. So, yan yung price natin. Full price natin sa iPhone na second hand. Okay? Ayun. So, mag-PM po kayo sa mga interesado dyan. PM lang po kayo sa FB page ng CND Gadgets. Naka-verified po yan ng blue. Verified blue check. O yan. Explanation pa. Ayan. PM lang po kayo. Medyo pagod na po ako ha. Attention na. Ayun. Bumisita na kayo sa ating physical shop or physical store. Located lang yan sa second floor, Center Mall, Greenhill, San Juan City. Stall number XB2 and then ang permanent natin third floor, V-Mall, Greenhill, San Juan City. See you guys! Bye!